Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant designed to help you work more efficiently inside the Microsoft tools you already use every day. Instead of starting from a blank page or spending time organizing information, Copilot can help generate ideas, summarize content, and assist with many of the tasks teachers handle throughout the day. One place Copilot can be especially helpful is in Outlook. Teachers often spend a lot of time responding to emails. Copilot can help draft email responses, summarize long email threads, and even adjust the tone of a message to make it clearer and more professional. In Word, Copilot can help you generate content, revise writing, and summarize documents. For example, if you're creating instructional materials or writing directions for an assignment, Copilot can help expand your ideas, rewrite text for clarity, or summarize longer documents into key points. In PowerPoint, Copilot can help generate slides and organize information for presentations. Teachers can use Copilot to turn ideas into slide outlines, suggest visuals, or help structure a presentation more clearly. In Excel, Copilot can assist with analyzing data in spreadsheets. It can help identify patterns, summarize information, or explain what the data in a spreadsheet means, which can be useful when reviewing grades, tracking progress, or organizing information. In OneNote, Copilot can help summarize notes, organize ideas, and highlight important information from longer notes or lesson planning documents. Copilot is built into tools like Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote, allowing it to assist you directly while you work. Whether you're writing an email, creating instructional materials, building a presentation, reviewing data, or organizing notes, Copilot can help you complete tasks more efficiently and generate ideas along the way. Want to learn how to use Copilot? Join our Pair Up Challenge and start exploring what it can do.